Hello everyone, I'm Mob, and this is your daily dose of genetics. Okay, so let's talk Lion hypothesis. It's basically the hypothesis that the gene dosage imbalance between males and females is compensated for by the random inactivation of one of the X chromosomes in the somatic cells of females. Well, let's break that down. So males like Bob here have an XY chromosome, and females like me have an XX chromosome. But if you really think about it, does Bob have a missing chromosome, or do I have one too many? Well, in 1961, geneticist Mary Leone came up with a solution. She said that the normal dosage for humans was actually one X chromosome, and since females have two X chromosomes, they compensated by inactivating one of their X chromosomes. Weird, right? But what actually happens to the inactivated X chromosomes? Well, it turns out those chromosomes are compacted into small dense structures called Barr bodies. Most of the genes on a Barr body are inactive, meaning they're not actually transcribed. The best example of this is our fluffy friends, the calico cats. Some female cats are heterozygous for black and tan alleles of fur. These cats inactivate one of their X chromosomes at random in different cells. This gives rise to the tortoise-shell coat pattern, with black patches coming from groups of cells where the X chromosome with the black allele is active, and the tan patches come from cells where the X chromosome with the tan allele is active. Let's consider a cross between a yellow short-haired female and a black male that has heterozygous blue-lone hair. Well, we know hair length is an autosomal trait, and fur color is sex length is carried on the X chromosome. But let's try and work through the progeny of this cross. To help simplify this matter, I constructed a branch diagram off-screen with all the possibilities. So offsprings for this cross can either be male or female. If they're male, their fur color can either be yellow or black. If they're female, however, their fur color can be yellow, black, or tortoiseshell. They can have long fur or short fur, as you can see to the side. Let's take a closer look, shall we? For our cross, only 4 of the possibilities are actually possible. If you look at the Punnett square for X-linked fur color, it is apparent that the males for this cross can only have yellow fur, for example, and females can only have tortoiseshell fur. If you take a closer look at the autosomal hair-linked Punnett square, it is apparent that there is a 50-50 chance of having long or short fur. So in practice, it turns out there is a 25% chance of getting each of the labeled possibilities on the diagram, and notice that not all the possibilities on the diagram are labeled. Aw, it's so cute! But wait, does that mean all the females from this cross will have the same phenotype? Well, no, not exactly. All the females from this cross do have tortoiseshell fur, but that does not mean that they actually look alike. Because of random inactivation of X chromosomes in each one of their cells, chances are you will never find 2 cats with exactly the same tortoiseshell color pattern. This is where I got all my information from. Stay healthy and see you again soon!